Hi friends, my name is Kendall. If you haven't been to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am doing my very first video made especially for kids. Can you guys guess what kind of crafts we're going to be making today? That's right, it's Valentine's Day. Check out these earrings. Are these the cutest earrings you've ever seen? So come along with me today and I'm gonna show you guys how to make so many fun Valentine's crafts. The first craft we're going to make today is this adorable heart card. The supplies you're going to need are a piece of paper or a piece of cardstock if you want more stability, scissors. You'll need something to make your stencil with. I use transfer tape, which you can actually find at the Dollar Tree now, which is so awesome. You're gonna need 1 to 3 different colors of paint and then paintbrushes. If you're going to want to make this project into a card like I did, you are going to start by folding your piece of paper in half 2 times. Next, you're going to take your transfer tape and just hold it up to your card for like sizing purposes so you can see how much you should cut out. Then cut out a square of your transfer tape. Next, to make the heart shape, you're going to fold your transfer tape in half, and on the folded side, go ahead and start cutting half a heart. Using this method will make sure that your heart is symmetrical. So then you open it up and you have both sides of the heart. Next, you are going to peel off the backing of the transfer tape and place your heart in the center of your card and press down to secure it. Okay, once your transfer tape is in place, go ahead and take your paint and you're going to just drop drops of paint around where the transfer tape heart is. You're gonna do all the different colors that you chose, and you can do those drops pretty close to the transfer tape. And then you're going to take your paintbrush and you're going to just make streaks going toward the outside of your paper. And you're gonna have some excess paint and you'll wanna just clean your brush off on the piece of paper that's like your backing paper. As you can see, I'm doing that as well, because you don't wanna leave globs of paint on the card. So you're just gonna continue making streaks with your brush until you make your way all the way around. Next, go ahead and take your transfer tape off of your card. I use a thumbtack to get the corner up. That's the easiest way to get that tape up. Look at that, so cute. For our next project, you are going to need a shallow dish, a piece of cardstock or just plain white paper, scissors, a popsicle stick, a squeegee, shaving cream, and however many colors of paint that you want for this project. I'm using 3 colors of paint. And just so you know, most of my supplies can be found at the Dollar Tree. So I got the squeegee and the shaving cream both at the Dollar Tree. Okay, we are going to start by just cutting out some hearts, some different sized hearts. I'm going to do a big one and I'm going to do a few smaller ones. So you want to fold your little piece of paper in half, and you want to cut half your heart shape, but don't do it like I did it here. Look what I did. I totally messed up. So you are going to want to fold your piece of paper in half and make sure that you cut along the folded side. And that will give you a perfect symmetrical heart shape. Now you're going to take your shallow dish and you're going to fill it with shaving cream. So you just want to fill that bottom layer and then take your first paint and just go ahead and pour paint in. Take your second paint and you just want to make streaks of paint all throughout. Then take that popsicle stick and you're going to want to go up and down in kind of a snake motion and then go side to side to make that really pretty marbling type of design. Okay, then make sure you put a piece of paper down under your workspace because this gets a little messy. You're gonna take your first heart and you just dip it in the shallow dish and just kind of press down until you get enough of that paint. And then you take it and you put it flat down. You take the squeegee. I'm gonna hold the top corner with my finger to secure it in place and then squeegee that excess paint and shaving cream off, and it leaves you with just the prettiest little design. That one didn't have a lot of paint on it, so I decided to go back and put a lot more paint on my shaving cream so that I could get a little bit more of a darker design on my hearts. So as you can see, again, I just put my heart face down in the shallow dish and I squeegee off the excess. Look how cute that is. Now for my big heart, I couldn't fit the entire heart in my shallow dish, so I just did half at a time. And you just press down, and I got a good amount of paint on there, and then you squeegee it off. Look how fun that is. I love how these designs turn out. You can make this into, you can glue these onto a card, or you could make a bunch of them and string them together as a banner. There's lots of different ways that you can use these fun hearts. For the next project, you're going to need a piece of paper or cardstock, an empty paper towel or toilet paper roll, and as many different colored paints as you'd like to use. If you want to make this project into a card like I did, go ahead and fold the paper twice. Next, you're going to take your paper towel or toilet paper roll. I cut mine in half just so that I would be able to use it more times. And you're just going to fold it into the shape of a heart. So you want a point at the bottom and then kind of 3 points, you're kind of folding it into a triangle at the top. So you end up with a cute little heart shape. Go ahead and pour your paint onto a plate. This project is pretty simple. All you do is use your paper towel roll like a stamp and you dip it in the paint and then you go ahead and stamp it on your paper. Continue stamping hearts all over your card until you're happy with your design. If the stamp doesn't fully close your heart, you can always grab a paintbrush and touch it up. Another idea is just to make the hearts go straight in a line, like a chain of hearts, which turned out really cute. The next project is super simple. It's such a fun way to turn something plain into the cutest Valentine's Day decor. You're going to need plain white candles. I got mine at Hobby Lobby for $1.29, and paint and paintbrushes. For my first candle, I'm just going to use red paint and randomly paint little hearts all over the candle. This is super easy because all you have to do is really do a diagonal line and then a little diagonal line going the opposite way. And don't worry if you mess up and one heart is a little bigger and one's a little smaller. I think that's what makes it super cute, is how random the hearts turn out. For my next candle, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing, except I'm going to do X's and O's. My paintbrushes were all too thick, so I ended up using a sharpened pencil and just dipping it in the paint like you would see like a very old ink pen. That's kind of the same concept. I'm just using a paint pencil. If you don't want to use a pencil, you can also use the other end of your paintbrush. That would work as well. So I'm just randomly doing X's and O's all over this candle. Now for my last candle, I'm going to use a very light pink. It's a very subtle design, and I'm gonna do hearts just like I did on my first one, but I'm gonna make them a lot bigger, and I think it turned out so cute. Okay, for our last project of the day, you are only going to need pipe cleaners. I found this awesome variety pack at Hobby Lobby. I think it was only about $1.50 for all of these pipe cleaners. So to begin, you're going to form a heart. You're going to take the two ends and twist them together, and then form the top into a heart shape, just like that. And now you're going to take your second one and put it through the first heart shape, and twist those two ends together and make the second one into a heart shape. You continue doing this until you've done as many hearts as you want your chain to be. This is a really fun banner for decoration, just a really fun thing to make for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed the crafts in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss my next Made Especially for Kids video.